What's up, Road to Riches family? We're gonna be talking about some of the day trades for today, some of the top gainers, what's happening in the market. So there's been a good amount of news happening lately, but let's just dive into these day trades for today. So one of the top gainers for today was EDTX. The stock was around the $17 to $30 area. When the stock first opened up, it had a little bit of a spike, but it immediately declined all the way under VWAP. So this one, I did not take a trade in. Also, I don't really feel comfortable with these $20 stocks, stuff like that. So I didn't take a trade on this. It had a little bit of a recovery, around like 950. But I could see a lot of people getting trapped into this, thinking the stock is going to go back up to 30, and then it has a decline all the way back down to $23. So just something to think about. I did not feel comfortable taking this trade at all. Some of these charts are not clean. I don't like no choppy charts, nothing that I don't feel comfortable in. But this was probably the top gainer. It was up over 100% on the day. So EDTX was one to look at. Next stock we got up here is SOFO, SOFO stock. This one wasn't a good one either. The chart isn't looking too good right now. It's definitely not a trade. You see under that VWAP line, it's all the way down to 1.40. Stock opened up around 1.60s and 70s. So definitely not one that I wanted to trade. Again, I could see a lot of people getting trapped within the first 2-3 minutes. There's another reason why I wait 10 to 15 minutes before I trade any of these stocks, especially the day trading ones in the lower stocks like under $2. Super definitely be careful on a stock like that. MVIS was another one. This one was way under VWAP. Had a little bit of a run this morning, but just couldn't seem to find itself getting over that VWAP and going for like one of those big runs. But this one was up around 14% on the day. And again, SOFO was up around 30% on the day. The last one, LEJU, this stock right here, another weird chart, another one that I didn't feel comfortable with, but it was in my range that I like. So it was in that $3 to $5 type of range, but we never got the push that we wanted. I could see this one getting a little bit of a rally in the morning if we could have got over VWAP. But if you see right here, we just never got over it. So being that we never got over it, the stock kept on declining. It went up to about $4 and or even $4.20. But right now, as I'm recording this video, it's at about $3.50. So LEJU, MVIS, SOFO, EDTX was some of the runners today. Let me know if y'all traded those stocks. But let's get into some of my investments that we've been talking about here on the channel. Now, NVIDIA all the way up to $423. So this stock, I think, was even more than that at one point. It might have got all the way up to like 428, I believe. That's neither the here nor there though. What's really crazy about this stock though is that within the last week, I think I did a video on this stock about 5 days ago now. Within the past week, this stock is up 12%. The stock was under $400. Now we're above $400. If I don't see this stock really going under 3 again in a minute. This is one of those stocks that I think is going to keep running. I know some people were talking about, we'll see if NVIDIA can keep up with the value and everything like that. But people always been talking about NVIDIA since I've had it in 2020 and 2021. I remember on CNBC, someone was saying, one guy was actually talking good about the stock, the other guy was talking bad about it. But through all of that crazy correction that we had, like in the 2022 market, NVIDIA held strong. It was one of those stocks that did better probably than 90% of my other stocks. And look at it now, all the way up year to date, 195% gain year to date for NVIDIA. So that's one that I'm heavily invested in, and I'm always like looking at, and probably definitely one of my top stocks. So NVIDIA, the global tech giant, carried on its massive rally yesterday with an influx of buyers during the regular trading session hour. So this is another reason why we had so much strength, and especially in the pre-market. But right now it's around still like 420s. So good stock to watch. Next stock up on my investment is Tesla. Tesla, 13 days it's been continuously green, and we've been having a rally. So Tesla is also up. Tesla is one of those big companies too, just like NVIDIA. I know NVIDIA just reached the 1 trillion market cap. Right now, Tesla is at $256 in 1 week. This stock is up 15%. So Tesla and NVIDIA, big moves in the market. Continuous green days. There's been other stocks we haven't talked about that's been running, but I don't invest in those stocks. I don't really pay attention to them. Microsoft has been running. I know Oracle has been running also. So those are stocks to look at. Do your due diligence and look into those stocks. Look at their finances. Look at what people are saying and all that other stuff. This AI stock, the ticker symbol is literally AI. This one has been running also. Today, I think we seen the stock around $48, $47, things like that. And this stock has been going crazy also within the past week. So this AI stock, and honestly, this wouldn't have been a bad trade if anybody was like taking a trade on this. So currently today, the stock was close to $48. Right now, as I'm recording the video, the stock is at $46. Within the last week, the stock is up 18%. And even within the last 3 months, AI stock is up 124%. So there's been a lot of talk about AI, a lot of talk around ChatGPT and things like that. And if you've been tuned into what's going on, you've been probably watching these stocks, and I hope some of you guys are in these stocks because they're making 100% moves. Year to date, this stock is up over 300%. So AI stock is up over 300% year to date. So we'll see how long this AI rally and how long we get a rally in the market. I know yesterday the Fed just released that they weren't gonna raise interest rates. I think the next 2 ones they said they're gonna raise them, but I don't know. There's been a lot of stuff going on, and just crazy to see how investors are gonna react to a lot of the news coming out recently. But either way, there's always money to make in the market. Just make sure that you're doing your research, hitting up your official financial advisors or lawyers before you make any of the trades. This is only for educational purpose only, so don't just follow my trades blindly. And in reality, I don't want anybody following my trades blindly, following any of my investments blindly. Do your own research. Okay, that's what I really want from all y'all. I want y'all to be self-sufficient and be able to look at these stocks on your own and pick your own stocks. Not here. You can have your own brain and think for yourself. So that's my goal with this YouTube channel and with this whole investment journey thing. I want y'all all to learn and be self-sufficient and be able to do it on your own, not just follow me and what I'm putting out. So thank you, and I'll see y'all in the next video.